Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Verasity price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis, looking at the weekly chart here to see the overview between the bullish and bearish scenarios, of course, and what is the highest possibilities. So we have, of course, here after this range here, very corrective range, we have found psychology for the market here with a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toward the upside, finishing a wave A or a wave 1, and your wave C is your bearish scenario coming next. In your bullish scenario, in your wave A here, you are looking at an A, B, and a C, of course, another ABC for correction, and looking for higher prices, meaning A, B, and a C toward the upside. Inside your wave 1 here, as an impulse, you're looking for a wave 2 actually, which is a higher possibility here after an impulse having a very deep correction between the 0.618 and 0.786 is a signal, of course, of a very bullish scenario for a wave 3 toward the upside. In your bearish scenario, of course, where you might have already longer wave, and actually it has been already played, the bearish scenario where you are looking to a longer correction here for an A, B, and a C. Your wave C here is obviously is gonna finish probably, of course, highest probability to finish in an ending diagonal for a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Of course, between those blue boxes is that we have for Verasity here. Hitting, of course, is this wave 2 between as well the perfect fib levels that we have right now, and then start the bull run for a wave C or for a wave 3, then of course higher for a 4, 5, which is a much more possibility, higher possibility here, the orange scenario in a wave 1, and again because it is a very deep correction, which is of course much more tending to be a wave 2 rather than a wave B, right? So these are the bullish and bearish scenario now. So let's move inside, of course, a close up inside the daily chart here. So on the daily chart, we are, of course, inside is this 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. This is what we would like to have, of course. The price action is working so perfectly with the path that we draw, of course. So we're gonna see how much perfect is gonna continue. But of course, the target that we would like to hit, of course, first is this box, and then of course this one for a wave 4. So the price action is exactly inside these fib levels. And yeah, basically we have here an A, B, and a C. That is nothing impulsive, to be honest, right? So if we say, okay, it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, big wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah, okay, it can be. Of course, it can be an impulse 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. But yeah, we're gonna see how the things are going to be here. If we pass, of course, the 1-to-1 fib level, guys. This means, of course, that you are in a bigger impulse, 1, 2, 3. So this is much more bearish. So this is a very critical price action. So we're gonna see the reaction here. If we don't see 5 waves up, 3 waves down, continuation, meaning we still bearish. Before getting this signal, we still bearish. If we break this and move to here, therefore, of course, definitely you get an answer that you're still looking for lower. And this is gonna be your 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for much more lower price action in a bearish scenario. Okay, so still possible, guys, that we might be much bearish, but higher possibility is, of course, to finish at the 0.618 as an ending diagonal, because if you are very impulsive here, then you took the low, right? Which is very low possibility, guys. It cannot be come to zero, yeah. So very low possibility, 0.786, of course, cannot be broken, I would say. Yeah. It shouldn't be broken. It should, of course, finish directly over there. Now, inside the 4-hour chart, inside is this, in case this is an impulse or A, B, and a C, we have finished here an ABC, but obviously this is an impulse, 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, your wave 4 here is arranging. As you can see, this is our impulse. We have double 1, 2s here, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. And probably if this will transform to a bigger 1, 2, then this wave, of course, is going to transform to a wave 3, right? And then continuation toward the downside, right? So as we mentioned that we don't want to break, of course, the 0.786. Therefore, I believe, of course, this is an A, B, and a C, and it is very close to be finished, guys. So inside this blue zone, exactly. So let's watch and see what's gonna happen for Veracity. That was it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.